Have you ever wondered if just 2 words could change your life? Imagine if these words could lead you to financial abundance and success. Welcome to Wisdom Journey, where we dive into the teachings of Buddhism and other spiritual insights to transform our lives. In today's video, we'll explore the intriguing world of quantum physics and Buddhist wisdom, where the lines between the physical and spiritual blur. You'll learn about the incredible power of words and how having the right mindset can unlock your financial potential. These words have been used for generations to change lives and create amazing results. By understanding their deeper meanings and how to use them, you could be on your way to the financial abundance you've always wanted. If you're ready to discover these words and see how they can change your life, stay with us. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. To grasp the power of words, we first need to understand an intriguing concept from quantum physics known as the observer effect. Quantum physics studies the tiniest particles in the universe, unveiling a realm where the rules differ significantly from our everyday experiences. One fundamental discovery in quantum physics is that particles can exist in a state of possibility known as a wave of potential outcomes until they are observed. This phenomenon is called the observer effect. It indicates that our observation, or more broadly, our consciousness, can influence the behavior of these particles. In simpler terms, our thoughts and beliefs can shape reality. This principle aligns with many spiritual teachings, including Buddhism, which emphasizes the power of mindfulness and intention. When we focus our minds on something, we direct energy toward it. Just as an observer in the quantum world can affect the state of matter, our beliefs and expectations can influence our personal experiences. The observer effect demonstrates that our thoughts and consciousness have a real impact on the physical world. This concept underpins many practices aimed at manifesting our desires through visualization and intention. By understanding the observer effect, we begin to see how our words and beliefs could shape our financial reality. For instance, if we consistently think and believe in abundance, we may start to notice opportunities and experiences that align with those beliefs. Similarly, negative thoughts and beliefs can create barriers and limit our potential. Therefore, recognizing the power of our consciousness allows us to harness it to bring about positive changes in our lives, including financial abundance. In summary, the observer effect shows that our thoughts and beliefs are not just abstract ideas, but have tangible impacts on the world around us. This understanding encourages us to be mindful of our thoughts and intentions, knowing that they play a crucial role in shaping our reality. Now that we understand how our thoughts and beliefs can shape reality, let's explore the impact of 2 powerful words: I am. These words are significant because they declare your identity. When you say I am, you're not just describing something. You're affirming who you are and aligning yourself with whatever comes after. In Buddhism, mindfulness teaches us to be aware of our thoughts and how they influence our experiences. The phrase I am acts as a powerful affirmation, connecting your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your sense of self. It's not just about repeating words. It's about truly believing and embodying the energy behind them. Think of I am as a key that opens the door to your desired reality. When you say I am wealthy, you're not just wishing for wealth. You're declaring it as part of your identity. However, it's essential to align your thoughts and emotions with this declaration. If you say I am wealthy but still have doubts or fears about money, there's a mismatch that can weaken the power of your words. This is where mindfulness becomes important. Buddhism teaches that our thoughts play a crucial role in shaping our reality. To foster a mindset of abundance, you need to identify and challenge these limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering ones. This process is often referred to as reprogramming your subconscious mind. Next, let's consider the power of consistent positive affirmations. The words you choose can significantly influence your subconscious mind. By repeatedly affirming statements like I am wealthy, I am prosperous, and I am abundant, you begin to shift your focus from lack to abundance. However, these affirmations need to be more than just words. They should resonate deeply with your heart and align with your true intentions. In addition to affirmations, practicing mindfulness is crucial. Mindfulness involves being fully aware of your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to detect and address any negative patterns that might be holding you back. This awareness empowers you to replace those negative patterns with a positive, abundant mindset. A useful metaphor from Buddhist teachings is the mustard seed. A mustard seed is tiny, but has the potential to grow into a large, strong tree. Similarly, your beliefs, even if small at first, can grow into something powerful with consistent focus and nurturing. By cultivating and nurturing positive beliefs, your mindset can flourish, leading to the financial abundance you seek. Remember, developing the right mindset is a journey, not a quick fix. It requires patience, persistence, and daily effort. You might not see immediate results, but with consistent practice, you'll begin to notice subtle shifts in your reality. Opportunities will start to appear, and you'll attract wealth and prosperity. And you'll attract wealth and prosperity in ways you hadn't anticipated. To put this into practice, start with daily affirmations. Begin each day by affirming statements like, "I am wealthy," or "I am abundant." Say these words with conviction and believe in their power. You can write them down, say them out loud, or meditate on them. Additionally, practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on what you're grateful for, whether it's your health, relationships, or opportunities. Gratitude shifts your focus toward abundance and helps reinforce a positive mindset. Align your actions with your intentions. If you're aiming for financial abundance, consider what practical steps you can take to move in that direction. This might involve starting a new project, learning new skills, or exploring different income streams. Consistent effort toward your goals is key. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with and your environment can impact your mindset. Seek out positive, supportive people who encourage your journey toward abundance. Create an environment that reflects your aspirations, filled with inspirational quotes, books, or other sources of motivation. By consistently practicing these steps, you'll begin to notice shifts in your reality. Opportunities will present themselves, and you'll attract wealth and prosperity in unexpected ways. Cultivating the right mindset takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. As you persist, you'll see your life transform, opening the door to the financial abundance you've always desired. Let me share a story that wonderfully demonstrates the transformative power of positive affirmations and belief. This is the story of a father and his young son, showing how powerful words can shape someone's reality. Every night, the father had a special ritual before his son went to sleep. He would tuck his son into bed and speak words of encouragement and affirmation. With a firm and loving voice, he would look into his son's eyes and say, "You are my superhero. You are my champion. You can achieve anything you set your mind to." These were not just casual words. They were carefully chosen seeds of belief planted in the fertile soil of his son's imagination. Night after night, the father repeated these affirmations. Over time, these words began to shape the boy's sense of identity and self-worth. The boy started to believe in the words his father spoke. He began to see himself as a superhero, a champion, and someone destined for greatness. These affirmations weren't just making him feel good. They were helping him build a strong, positive self-image. One night, the father had to work late, so the mother put the child to bed. Later that evening, as the parents sat down for dinner, they were surprised to see their son appear in the doorway, his eyes heavy with sleep. The father, curious, asked why he was awake. The child replied, "Daddy, you forgot to tell me who I am." In that moment, the father realized the profound impact his words had on his son's sense of identity. The simple act of speaking words of encouragement had a powerful effect. By consistently reinforcing positive affirmations, he had instilled in his son a deep-rooted confidence and a belief in his limitless potential. This story reminds us that our words are incredibly powerful. Just as the father's affirmations shaped his son's self-image, the words "I am" can help us shape our financial reality. When we consistently reinforce positive beliefs about abundance and prosperity, we open ourselves up to a world of limitless possibilities. By believing and speaking these affirmations with conviction, we can transform our mindset and attract the financial abundance we desire. Now that we've explored the power of affirmations and the impact of our beliefs, let's delve into some practical steps to align your mindset with abundance. These steps will help you cultivate the right energy, focus, and actions to attract financial prosperity into your life. Start each day with positive affirmations. These simple yet powerful statements can be as straightforward as "I am wealthy," "I am prosperous," or "I am abundant." The key is to say them with conviction and truly believe in their power. You can write them down, speak them out loud, or meditate on them. The more you reinforce these affirmations, the more they will shape your reality. Gratitude is a powerful tool for shifting your focus toward abundance. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you're grateful for: your health, relationships, opportunities, and more. This practice shifts your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. Alongside gratitude, practice mindfulness. Being mindful helps you stay present and aware of your thoughts, allowing you to catch any negative or limiting beliefs before they take hold. Align your actions with your intentions. If you aim for financial abundance, think about the steps you can take to move in that direction. This could involve starting a new project, learning new skills, or exploring different income streams. The key is to maintain consistent effort toward your goals, knowing that each step brings you closer to your desired reality. Remember, small actions taken consistently can lead to significant results over time. Our subconscious beliefs often dictate our outcomes. To reprogram them, consider using visualization techniques. Visualize your desired financial reality in vivid detail. Imagine the lifestyle, freedom, and security that come with it. This helps align your subconscious with your conscious intentions, creating a stronger connection between your beliefs and actions. The more detailed and vivid your visualization, the more effective it will be. The people you spend time with and the environment you create can significantly impact your mindset. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who encourage your journey toward abundance. Additionally, curate your environment to reflect your aspirations. This could mean decorating your space with inspirational quotes, reading motivational books, or listening to uplifting podcasts. These influences will keep you motivated and focused on your goals. Here are the detailed steps. Daily affirmations. Write down a list of affirmations that resonate with your financial goals. Repeat these affirmations each morning with conviction. Consider incorporating these affirmations into your meditation practice, gratitude, and mindfulness. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Spend a few minutes each day in mindfulness meditation to stay present and aware of your thoughts. Use mindfulness to catch and replace any negative or limiting thoughts with positive ones. Consistent action. Set specific, actionable financial goals. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks. Take daily steps, no matter how small, towards these goals. Track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Reprogramming the subconscious. Dedicate time each day to visualize your financial goals in detail. Create a vision board that represents your financial aspirations and place it somewhere visible. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your visualizations. Positive influences. Seek out mentors or join groups that share your financial aspirations. read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos that inspire and educate you about financial abundance. Create a positive physical environment with uplifting decor and reminders of your goals. These practical steps can help you cultivate a mindset that naturally attracts abundance. It's not just about saying the right words. It's about truly believing them and aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your financial goals. With consistency and dedication, you'll start to see shifts in your reality, opening the door to new opportunities and unexpected sources of prosperity. In conclusion, today, we've explored how two simple words, I am, can reshape your financial reality. By adopting a mindset that aligns with abundance, you can open pathways to prosperity and bring your dreams to life. Remember, it all starts with belief, and your words are the key to nurturing that belief. It's important to consistently reinforce positive affirmations and take practical steps toward your goals. As you do, you'll begin to feel subtle shifts in your energy, notice new opportunities, and see improvements in your financial situation. The universe listens closely to the energy you emit and responds accordingly. Now, I'd like to hear from you. What affirmations do you use to attract abundance? Have you noticed any positive changes since incorporating these affirmations into your life? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your stories can inspire others on their path to financial prosperity. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking and sharing it with those who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on personal growth, mindfulness, and spiritual teachings. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, the words I am hold immense power in shaping your financial destiny. Embrace them with confidence and witness how your life transforms in unexpected ways. Take a moment now to breathe deeply, stand tall, and declare your abundance. The universe eagerly awaits your response.